In front of me is Honor 600 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. And by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, first to create voice memo within Messages app and add it right away, click on this button at the bottom right corner. Record thanks to microphone icon. Now from here you can attach it right away or restart it. If you want to, you can also tap on the same middle button, then listen to it here and decide what you wish to do. If you want to add voice or any other audio file that's already on your Honor, click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Select Files and look for yours by tapping on Audio at the top, selecting it from one of those apps, or what most people miss, by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources, like downloads. Either way, when you click on your file, just tap on it to add it. Now, when it comes to video 1, wherever you wanna do, record it now, or add already existing one, tap on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Then to take a video and add it, use camera portion, and when you finished it will be automatically attached, so all you need to do is send it. To pick already existing one, hold this line and drag it up. Then look in your gallery app, and when you find your video, click on it. Then choose Send and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!